to Brooklyn, bro. Some of y'all might not want to know this, but especially with all this traffic, yo. Obviously, everybody who watches the freaking news knows that crime is crazy around here, bro. They've been stealing cars left and right, pulling them up, is out of them, shooting people, robbing them. It's crazy over here, man. I am so bad, it's everywhere. It don't matter who you are, they can catch you slipping. They rob cops and everything. It don't even matter. Not like they know they cops in the beginning, but just don't be caught slipping over here, man. Or anywhere, actually, to be honest. I gotta go check my guy real quick, and I already got this car out, so I said, frig it, I'll take it. But yeah. Rule number one, always give yourself enough space. Do not put yourself close to the car in front of you. And if he back up, then you might as well get up out of here. And if you really that paranoid, stay in this lane right here. So that way you could maneuver this way, boom, do what you gotta do. Or if you're over there, make sure you buy like a curb where your car could clear to jump the curb and dip. Or if you have full coverage insurance, just let them take that shit, get another one. But yeah. Not get so close to the car in front of you, bro. And if you have an option to take the left turning lane, yo, I just take it right out, cut somebody off in the beginning. I try to stay moving, yo. I'm trying to get caught by none of these lights. And if you get caught at a light, just look around. It's gonna be clear as day. Somebody, you know, is off or something is off. If you like have general, you know, awareness or whatever you call it, you're gonna know when something looks like it's set up. So, man, bro, I don't even panic, bro. When I see something that look like it's set up, I just start driving again. Don't care. Light red, I'ma just go. You know, make sure traffic is good. Yo, man. What's up? Man, come on, hop in, man.
What you doing, making all this noise?
Man, you didn't hear nothing, did you?
Make you go pick up wifey for me, man. And then she be like, I can't sit down in this. She said, I can't sit down in this.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? What's some sort like firecrackers?
I don't know. It ain't my car, though.
Something smell like firecrackers. I swear, damn.
Yeah, if it's my car, then
You put on something new? You put on anything, exhaust new or anything?
Nah. Oh yeah, but you know stuff be getting burnt on the exhaust.
Right, so I'm saying.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It could be that. I don't know.
So what's up, man?
Nothing much, man. Oh yeah, you didn't hear it when it was straight pipe.
No.
It's straight pipe now. Well, I had the valve so I can open and close it.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, so I don't know if you can hear it. Hold on.
I heard you. I heard you. It sounded like I heard you inside a little bit.
This is when it's closed. Hold on. Now hold on. Yeah, this is closed. Let me make sure it's really closed. This is closed.
That's closed, right?
And when you open it, you go open the valve. It's a little loud.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then once you put it in sport, it'll. Yeah, it sounds crazy, man. I tell you full of man. Listen, man, this thing is. I don't know if the V got anything on this, man.
Listen.
You gotta put your seatbelt on, man.
You should be also impressed that so many people watched you and me. You should be very. So you know that. So you no, but you know. So you know, Mike. They must be waiting for round 2 now. They gotta be waiting for round. Yeah.
You're funny, man.
No, they gotta be waiting for round 2 now. So let me see. Let's see what it.
There's a speed camera right there.
Oh, it got you. It got
they
you.
Did?
It got
no, I don't think they did. That's what traction on. So the traction off.
No, not only that, but now she. Now not only I tell everybody the temperature is just right now.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it depends, man. Yeah. This shit can get a little scary, man. Because it'll pick up speed and go fast, really straight as it's spinning. So I'll pass this car watch. When I punch it, it's gonna spin, but you're not even gonna notice it. Hold on.
Yeah.
You see it? it was spinning. It's spinning as that puppy running though. You know what I mean? That sucker's running.
Oh boy, we gotta do another.
This sucker running, man.
Yeah, we gotta do another tech now. See what you do against the Cadillac now, right?
It just run, man. But it holds, man. I'm gonna quiet it down.
Yeah.
You'll see the difference. Look, it's quiet. Now look, I'm moving forward.
Oh yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Look, look, quiet. Look, valves closed, everything closed up. Look.
Yeah, nice. Good.
Quiet.
Good, right. Don't nobody hear you fucking blazing. No, was it me? Doing 9.5 now?
Nah, this is rear wheel drive, man. You see from a roll what I'm doing.
I know.
From a roll, that thing is just, you know what I love about it so much, man?
But
it has that balls effect, like, you know what I mean?
I hate to say it, but it's like the G80 is almost knocking the F80 out of the Instagram. Everybody's rocking a fucking G80 like they cheap. They're not fucking cheap. That's what I don't understand.
Bro, social media makes it look cheap, bro. You gotta think about it. So, like, think about it, right? Well, I don't know about where you from, but like where I'm from, it's like if you see a car like this, right? You know, before we had social media, before I had it, I ain't have it that long, right? Like when you see a car like this, it's like, oh, like it's like you don't see another one for like a month. Back when I was younger, it was the E92 M3, right? Yeah. You would see the E92 and you'd be like, yo, that's not the regular 335. That's not the regular 328. This is sick. Like, and I would see 328s and 335s for like the rest of the week. Right. I would not see one other M, right? Right. I joined social media like what, 2017, 2018. Right. I didn't have social media, bro. I joined it to do the YouTube stuff. Yeah, right, the YouTube. Bro, I can see how like you need brakes, bro. Cause like it makes these cars, it makes everything look so easy, and now you wonder why you don't got it. It's like everybody got it, I don't got it. Bro, this car got 12,000 miles on it right now. Jeez. Yeah, yo. So I drive back and forth between Maryland and
like when, every Friday night or something? You go up there?
It's just random, bro. Like if I feel like I have the time to do it, I do it. Oh, all right. Yeah, that's cool. Sometimes I take the 335. Right. I haven't taken like the training out in there for a while now.
I ain't taken a training in a while.
Yeah. I haven't taken
the last time I took an Am truck up was to go see a girl down in Virginia. That was fucking donkey years ago. Yeah, that's a lot.
I did that before too. Yeah. I did that before too.
Yeah, I know. That's the last time I ever took a train.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You did the tune now. You have a tune, right?
Piggyback. All right. So it's like 600 wheel-ish, give or take. 6 and change wheel-ish.
And just a bolt-on, I got. Yeah. Just bolt-on.
Bro, I'm at that point where it's like I don't even know.
With the factory turbo, which can handle all that power.
Well, yo, not for nothing, bro. I know this is gonna sound crazy. What? I think the factory turbos can outdo the motor. Jesus Christ. You get what I'm saying? For some reason, I don't know. I think that you don't start running out of steam with the turbos until it's time to build the motor. I don't know. Yeah. But I know this is one dude that I upgraded turbos. But these
upgraded turbos already? Yeah. On a G80 already?
Yeah. And he got rear wheel drive. Oh, yeah, S58 NYC.
He must be screaming down the back.
Man, he got Billax on the back. V-locks with a tire. I forgot what kind of tire.
Wow, he got up to So how's the other car running?
The 335?
Yeah.
Man, it's scary as hell.
Oh, shit.
I didn't even do full throttle in it, bro. Because it has an open diff. So, like, I don't know, my biggest fear is that I'm going to go around a corner. Because that's how I sent my 435 in the ditch. I crashed into the ditch because I had an open diff. Wow. And I know that feeling of no control. Like I know that feeling. You put on the carbon fiber grill? Yeah, carbon fiber grill's outside. I'll show you, bro. I see like guys, I'm like, guys turned on the grill and the grill is like almost $1,500 fucking. So like, yo. It looks like an off-brand car right now. You're like, yeah. It looks mad bootleg with the. Yeah. You thinking about putting on that Nah, I like it, bro. You know what, man? The one that they're showing a lot now, the carbon fiber. Nah, I know you're talking about. Anniversary one. Yeah, anniversary one. Yeah, bro, I kind of like this one. Cause like, look at it from certain angles. But that's traditional. That's that's been around since before you were born, man. But if you look at it though, everything's been out since before I was born. I'm only 29. But look. Yeah. So like the angles. What I normally do, I order the carbon fiber kit, and it covers these up. Bro, I don't even, I like it like this. I like OEM, bro.
All right.
You know why, though? Because it's like, I feel like if I do that,
Yeah.
then this one might, thing might peel up.
I like it.
Yo.
It looks nice.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna get up out of here, bro.
Yeah,
Yo.
all right, good to see you, man.
Yeah, listen, I'm ready, man. I'm ready.
We got him at round 2.
I'm
man.
ready. And these are Pirellis that we was running on just now.
Man, I got the Continentals.
It was
man,
spinning, so you know
piece,
how it's gonna
man.
go. You know, you 414 a piece, man.
Yeah.
I be doing donuts like I'm rich apparently, you know, but
You better not, boy.
nah, it's good. We running good for now, bro. It's like that. They not over just yet. From Canarsie all the way to Queens. Yo, the scenery change is crazy. 2 minutes about to go make me a nice little drop off. I got that in large. I think that might be a large.
This is calling my name, yeah.
Because I had it right in the top.
This is perfect.
And the rest of these just, I want to get more of these, bro. With the Pornhub logo. I like it, yo. I got it in black. I might keep it for myself, and I got it in white, but these are the only ones I got. And I got them in my size. Wait, if it's a large, it's my size. Yeah. Like you ready to run in somebody's crib, bro. Let me see what this one is right here. It's XL. XL. Large.
Let me see, how they fit? Are they like...
Yo, try it on. Yes.
What size is this?
This is a large.
He definitely wasn't cheap. You know, I love it.
It do sound a little bit better.
Yeah, it does. Maybe it's because it's cold?
Yeah, it could be.
Like, that shit sounds amazing. Yo, so you gotta do shit.
Infinity behind me.
Car.
Yeah, I see it. Boys be over here crazy. Yeah, you wildin' with that.
Oh my god, son.
I'm gonna take my ass in the crib, bro. What it was? It's damn 5:50. Why the fuck is 9 o'clock? Bro, I'm about to be knocked out by like 8:30, bro.
Bro, love you, appreciate you. Thank you for the adrenaline rush. I think I'm about to go drive it today, so I ain't gonna lie.
Yo, be careful, bro.
Yo, you be good with baby right here, okay, son? Thank you, bro.
All right, bro. I don't know why I feel so late. I'm getting old, man. I'm about to take my ass to the house. I have the hoodies down below too. You guys can buy them. I am tired. Old, getting old. Shut. Y'all heard that? That was a pump.